Haryana's iconic Surajkund Mela turned tragic after a swing snapped mid-air. An on-duty police inspector was killed and at least 13 people were injured after a giant tsunami swing snapped and crashed to the ground on Saturday evening. Now, the incident took place at around 6 in the evening where nearly 15 people were on the ride. Now, the officer killed has been identified as Inspector Jagdish Prasad, who was deployed on fair duty. Now, soon after the accident, the entire Mela ground was evacuated. Rescue operations were led by the district administration, and now a probe has been ordered into the collapse of the swing. Chief Minister has condoled the death and assured that all possible assistance to the injured and their families. As the Surajkund Mela continues till February 15, serious questions are now being raised about the safety checks, the maintenance of these high-risk rides, and the accountability of organizers and operators at the large public events.
We're at the very spot at Faridabad Surajkund Mela where around 6:15 p.m. yesterday evening a tsunami swing broke down while 26 people were on board. In this whole incident, 13 people are injured and one police inspector died because he was there when the swing tilted and he was trying to help those people who are stuck inside the tsunami swing. We'll try to show you the visuals of what the aftermath of the tragedy looks like. This is the very spot where the swing was located. Now every last bit and traces of that swing has been removed from here, and its place a different joyride has been installed. A police officer was killed here and several others were injured after the tsunami swing collapsed at the Surajkund fair in Faridabad. The incident occurred when swing broke and it in fact also injured multiple visitors. The police inspector who rushed to the rescue of the injured suffered serious injuries and he later died during the rescue operation. We are showing you about how the police officials are still here investigating this whole site. This is the Jhula ground of the Surajkund fair, which draws a lot of attention from several of the people, and we are trying to show you the visuals of the very spot where it was installed. Officials have said that a total of 13 people were injured in the accident, and district officials including the deputy commissioner and the managing director of tourism reached the spot soon after the incident. With camera person Aman, this is Anushka Garg for NETV.